we have to bring water from the shop every time, because from the tap, that's just dirty water. Well, it looks clean, but it's just from outside, and it's brought in a tanker truck. So every time we just have these big heavy bottles, cans to bring from the shop. So we bring one by one every time. And so I brought one last time a few days ago, and then 2 days ago at the night time we just had enough. When David was going to the shop, we didn't need water, we just had enough for the night, for the next morning, so we didn't bring. But the next morning, from early morning till midnight, in this night, it was raining non-stop. So as you maybe know, our road is very bad. It's just muddy road. So, and in the rain, who wants to go out in a scooter to bring another can of water? Luckily, as we hoped and prayed for this morning, it stopped raining. So now David is going and bring another can of water and some vegetables, because they are finished. And I am going to start cooking the rice because it's already getting late. Okay, so watch how we bring water in our scooter. It might be dry when we go home. Here we are in the church. Beautiful lights. We just swept the floor. It's a big work with all these chairs. And we cleaned all the chairs from dust. Brought a new catheter. There's the sound system. And up there, I love the ceiling with the lights. In video it's hard to see how beautiful it looks. Now here we are on the top floor of the house next to the church building. This is the roof of the church. The church is 2 floors high and then another 2 floors are down below me. This is the 5th floor. It's a beautiful view, of course. It's sunny today. And there you can see the Fatherhouse where I was just standing before on the top rooftop. They're sitting on there, relaxing in the sun. The doors can be set in because they put these corners. Even rich artists and anyone can come in our church. They don't have to sit lowly on the floor and be in a poor place. So there we have what we call maybe disco lights and a projector, and the projector screen very nicely built in the wall. So that's our church. Tomorrow we'll have fellowship, so I hope to show you a bit of that as well in this video. Wow, these doors are just put here. Much better than before. It was a smaller door. Now we have a big door for the big hall. The smaller doors will go up. Going up Fatherhouse. you soon.